For the treble stitch, I'm starting again with a chain of 20. And for the treble, you go into the 5th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the treble, you yarn over twice. Yarn over and yarn over again, and then put it in that 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull another loop. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over again and pull through the last 2. You can see the treble stitch is a much taller stitch. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, go into the next chain, yarn over and pull a loop through, 4 on your hook, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over and go through the last 2. And you continue working treble stitches all the way to the end of the chain. I'm working my last treble stitch. Sometimes they're also called a triple stitch. Okay, to start your next row, you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn your work. The turning chain does count as the first stitch, so just like the double, you're going to skip that first stitch and work in the next one. So yarn over twice, go through 2, go through 2, go through 2, go under both loops, 2, 2, 2, yarn over twice. You just keep working a treble stitch in every stitch to the end of the row. Okay, we're to the end of the row, and you always work the last stitch in the top of the chain. So yarn over twice and stick it in the top chain. Pull a loop through. Three. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. Since it counts as the first stitch, you don't work there, you work in the next one. So yarn over twice, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert it into the next stitch, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. And you just keep working the treble stitch all the way to the end. Chain 4 for each new row. I'm going to work 12 rows on this swatch. There's the swatch of treble crochets. I did 12 rows. There's 16 stitches in each row. Don't forget you count. The turning chain is the first stitch, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's the treble crochet.